Hi guys, it's Wes from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix X input 1 space 3 DLL is not found. So guys, here I'm going to show you the very easy process to fix this error. So let's get started. So guys, to fix this error, you have to simply open your Google Chrome. So guys, simply type in search bar X input 1 space 3 dot DLL download and simply press enter. Click on first link, scroll down. So guys, here you can see different versions of this file. So you can see 32 bits version and here it is 64 bits. So guys, I'm using 64 bits. So I'm going to download 64-bit version. So guys, as you can see, our file has been downloaded. So simply close this, open File Explorer, click on Downloads. So guys, this is the setup. So simply right click on it and click on Extract to this. Now copy the file, click on this PC. Now simply open your Windows drive. So here it is. So simply double click on it. Now here you can see the option of Windows. So click on Windows. Now in Windows find the option System 32. So here it is. So simply double click on it. Now paste that file here. Click on Continue. Now after that simply close this and simply restart your PC. So guys, as you can see, I fixed this error. So you can also fix this error by following this process that I have shown you step by step. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.